Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is SUNI MAHALANI. I am from UNIP Campus, Prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris Semester 1. I made this video to complete my achievement in Practice 1. Here I will explain how the vowels and each example. This is vowel sound. It turns out in English the 5 letters of vocal have different sound. How to pronounce the sound right here is called vowel sound. Vowel sound divided into 2, short vowels and long vowels. Okay, let's start. Vowel sounds. Example 1. I. I. Milk, milk. Sit, sit. Example 2. Eh, dex, dex. Get, get. Example 3. A. Cat, cat. Bat, bat. Example 4. A. Cup, cup. Blood, blood. Example 5. Oh, oh. Clock, clock. Box, box. Example 6. Oh, oh. Bull, bull. Bush, bush. Example 7. Police, police. Butterfly, butterfly. Long vowel sound. Example 1. E, E. Freezer, freezer. Sheep, sheep. Long vowels. Example 2. A, a. Cart, cart. Car, car. Long vowels. Example 3. O, O. Short, short. Boat, boat. Long vowels. Example 4. Ooh, ooh. Glue, glue. Blue, blue. Long vowel. Example 5. Girl, girl. Bird, bird. Thank you for watching. Sorry if there are any misunderstanding. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.